My name is Erica M. Cordero.
And I'm going to introduce you my 5 favorite leisure activities. Disclaimer, this video is about me at sa mga bagay na ginagawa ko. Mga bagay na nai-enjoy ko. So please, sana walang mang-judge. Itong video na pinapakita ko ay just spending time with friends. Jogging is not for me. Sa paghinga ko, obvious na hindi ako physically fit. Nakakapagod pala talaga siya.
Again, my name is Erica M. Cordero, and these are my leisure activities. The first one is music. It helps me to reduce stress, and I do really enjoy it a lot.
Bumalik ka na sa'kin. When I'm with you, how can I about you way too much more. I'm drunk in the back of the car, and I cry like a baby coming home from the bar. Said I'm fine, but it wasn't true. I don't wanna keep secrets just to count. 아무는 또 지게 던져가. 널 숨기려고 해. I can't forgive you for all the things, for not giving me back.
That's it for my random music taste. The next one is my journaling. Na-inlove talaga ako sa pag-journal during pandemic. Sobrang tahimik at sobrang introvert ko before. So, kailangan ko maghanap ng pagkakainteresan. Like, I find my hobby. And this is really helpful. Kasi, pag naiinis ako, sinusulat ko dito. Tapos, nawawala siya. Binasa ko yung journal ko and I realized I really hate everyone. Talagang parang allergic ako sa tao talaga before, be. Puro rants at inis ang nababasa ko ron. I love stickers then. Like, ang dami kong collection. Yan ang OG anik-anik ko. Talagang ididikit ko sa notebook kahit anong talaga. Gusto ko yung very cutesy and very demure ang notebook. Tada, di namin kay Wicked kasi obsessed sa Wicked ang babaeng ito. The next one is drawing. Since I like designing nga, syempre mahilig din ako mag-drawing before. Isa rin to sa hobby na nakatulong sa akin nung pandemic. Since it's about skill, hindi siya basta-basta matututunan. Pero if you learn it, marami siyang maibibigay sa'yo. Ang laking help niya kasi I realized na medyo creative pala ako. Tada, I like drawing girls pala. The next one is eating. Itong leisure na to talagang nakakatulong sa kahit anong aspeto ng buhay mo eh.
May ganito kayo sa school? Wala?
Add ko dito yung New Year namin ng family ko. Wala lang, it healed my inner child. Kasi kami mag-reunion ng family ko. So, I love it. This next leisure is like my secret leisure lang. Una, leisure lang talaga to. Gusto ko lang talaga mag-cutics-cutics sa sarili ko. Tapos sabi ko kala mama, ma-nails kita ma, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos ayun, pinagpapraktisan ko na sila. May tindahan kasi si mama. Nakikita yung kuko niya, tapos nagpapaganto sila sa akin, tapos pinabayaran nila ako. Well, I'm not professional. Wala pa akong isang buwan na gumagawa ko na to. So, don't expect. Ito yung mga nagawa ko. For me talaga, leisure lang siya. Bonus yung may pera ko. Yun lang. Thank you. That's it for my leisure activity. I enjoy doing this video, to be honest. Those leisure activity made me who I am. It helped me. Minsan naiirita ako. Pero that's my life. Yung mga bagay na nai-enjoy ko alone or with friends or family. Nag-realize ko siya doing this video. At some point, I enjoy my life. And thank you God kasi I enjoy my life. He gave it to me, so I'm really thankful. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Boom!